To start off with, that question by the executive mayor of Ekurhuleni asking if the Constitutional Court has ever ordered anyone to go to jail. Do we know of any such instance?
Yes, they have ordered people to go to jail, but not for contempt in previous judgments. So this is the first time that the Constitutional Court has ordered a sentence of imprisonment for someone who has been found to be in contempt of the Constitutional Court. So definitely a landmark ruling.
Definitely a landmark ruling and unprecedented for South Africa. Some work to be done by the National Commissioner of Police and the Minister of Police should the former president decide not to hand himself over to the police station in Nkandla.
Yes, well, he's got 5 calendar days within which to hand himself over either in Nkandla or at Johannesburg Central Police Station. And as the court clearly ordered, if he fails to do that, then the Minister of Police or the Police Commissioner is ordered to use any means possible to arrest him and to commit him to imprisonment. So that would basically mean that they could issue a warrant for his arrest immediately, have him arrested, and then for him to start serving his sentence of imprisonment of 15 months.
What are the repercussions and the implications for the rule of law in South Africa as a result of this judgment?
Well, you could hear clearly during the judgment, the Constitutional Court took a very dim view of Jacob Zuma's behavior. They granted him an opportunity on numerous occasions to present himself to the Zondo Commission to testify. They granted him an opportunity to file affidavits which in defense of him not being in contempt of a court order, and he simply refused to comply with the court. But more than that, he penned letters to the Constitutional Court in which he severely criticized the court, in which he said that he is willing to go to prison, that he won't abide by the Constitutional Court orders, and rightfully so. I don't know how he could ever have thought that he could simply criticize the court in such a way and treat the court with such disregard and such disdain and think that he would just get away with it. So certainly the Constitution was upheld today. It is our apex court in this country. If the Constitutional Court makes an order, you best be advised to adhere to the order and to comply with the order. And if you act in such a vexatious manner as he did, then you should expect to go to prison, which has exactly been the order handed down today.
Would love to speak some more, but have another live crossing to go to.